Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the #1 rule that you need to be aware of before you do anything on Instagram. And I'm gonna show you why this #1 rule is gonna help you to keep you away from getting banned in Instagram, and how that's gonna keep you away from being spam in the spam section of Instagram. So stay tuned to it. So just when you just created an account and you're pumped, you want to create an account, you want to get more followers, you want to get more engagement, and you go into YouTube, you start searching for the keywords, how to get more followers, and there's a bunch of content out there that the people teaching you in how to get followers, and they probably teach you maybe the follow technique, the comments technique, the like technique, the DM groups technique, and all these techniques are good if you want to create an account, if you want to get followers. There are going to be better ways that you can do it, but if you are following these strategies online, there is something that these gurus or these people on Instagram, they never tell you, and this is the #1 rule that you need to be aware of in Instagram, which is be aware of 1,000 actions in your Instagram account. What these 1,000 actions mean is that when you have an account, let's say you created an account and then you already search for the strategies of how to follow, how to grow an account on Instagram, and all of a sudden you start applying these strategies in your Instagram account. That's amazing. So what happens is that with each action that you take in your Instagram, so if you decide to follow, or you decide to unfollow, you decide to comment, you decide to like a page, or you decide to do anything on Instagram, every single thing is gonna count as one action. And this action is gonna count up to 1,000 actions that you are allowed to do in Instagram. When you overpass these, your account will get blocked if you're a new account. And if you're an old account, most likely over time, if you keep doing this over and over and over, they will shadow ban you. If you don't know what is a shadow ban, there are some videos on this YouTube account which is gonna explain you what are the things that you shouldn't be doing in order to not get shadow banned. So make sure you do. Basically, I'll give you a brief explanation. So shadow ban is for accounts that are very spammy. They follow you and they actually doing this over and over. So you will get your reach shut down. So that's a brief meaning of what a shadow ban means. So every single day you're gonna have 1,000 actions. 1,000 actions that you can use every day, and that is gonna count in likes, that's gonna count in comments, that's gonna count as follows or unfollows. So what happens when you use these actions, you're gonna have a certain amount of actions that you can take hourly, every single hour. So if you really want to keep under the radar and you want to start doing this, make sure you don't use more than 50 actions every hour. And this is gonna help you to keep you away from the spammy section, and this is gonna help you to grow your account if you're using these strategies. What I mean by 50 actions that you can take today. So let's say you log into your account and you decide to follow these guys on YouTube, or how to create like a big following, and you decide to follow people, and maybe you decide to follow 25 people, and then you decide to like maybe another 10, and then you decide to like maybe another or comment in someone's profile 15. So that's gonna be 50 actions that you can take every hour. But make sure you don't do this over and over and over, because Instagram will ban your account, and this is something that nobody tells you before you actually do something on Instagram. And this is the biggest tip that I can give you before you get banned, or before Instagram put you into the spammy accounts, which is not good for you, it's not good for your business, especially if you want to grow. And definitely don't hire these teams that they only care about ghost followers. What I mean by that is the followers that only give you like, but they don't give you business, they don't give you money, they don't give you conversions, because an account is nothing without real followers. So make sure you take this #1 rule in consideration. I want to keep this video short and simple, and I hope this helped you a lot. So be on the watch, because I'm gonna start producing more content. Follow me on my Instagram, which is Anthony Llanos 1. I'll put it on the screen right here. And until the next time, peace. Thank you for watching.